Hello, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Laura, and if you've been following this channel for a while, you already know what I'm about. Not extreme routines, not miracle pills, just small, high-leverage health tweaks. The kind that quietly build your energy, confidence, and drive back up again, one morning at a time. Today, I want to talk about something simple, something you already do every single day, your morning tea. But this isn't about green tea versus black tea. This is about what's missing from that mug, that single teaspoon you're not adding yet, because that one teaspoon can flip a biological switch, boosting your metabolism, lifting your energy, and yes, subtly reigniting your libido and confidence. And here's the funny part. It works so well that your partner might start noticing. They might even start begging you to stop because they can't quite keep up with this new version of you. Sound impossible? Let's dive into the science and the soul behind that cup. Before we start, drop a quick comment below. Where are you watching from? And hit that like button if you're ready to reclaim your energy and masculinity one morning at a time. Most men over 50, even those who eat fairly well or stay active, start their day at a biological disadvantage. Not because they're lazy, not because they've done anything wrong, it's simply how the male body changes with time. When you wake up, your cortisol, your main stress hormone, peaks. That's normal. It helps you get up and go. But if your sleep has been poor or if you carry constant low-grade stress, work, money, relationships, the quiet pressure of life, that cortisol stays high. And high cortisol does two devastating things. It suppresses testosterone production, and it drains your energy before you even start your day. Add to that a sluggish morning metabolism, your digestive system basically idling after 8 hours of rest. And what do most men do? They grab a strong coffee for a jolt, which spikes adrenaline, stresses your adrenals, and sets you up for an afternoon crash. Or they sip plain tea, pleasant but metabolically silent. Your body doesn't need a jolt, it needs a signal, a clean, natural spark that says, wake up, burn fuel efficiently, regain your balance. That's exactly what we're going to fix with one intentional teaspoon. After 12 years working with men over 50, I've learned something powerful. Most of the problems that men attribute to aging, fatigue, low drive, brain fog, weight gain, irritability, are not inevitable. They're simply signals. Signals that your hormones, metabolism, and nervous system are out of sync. And you don't have to overhaul your life to fix them. You just need consistent, daily signals that bring your biology back into alignment. That's what these one teaspoon rituals do. Each one I'll share targets a different aspect of male vitality: hormonal drive, your inner engine of motivation and desire; stress resilience, your ability to stay calm and focused no matter what; and metabolic ignition, how effectively your body burns fuel instead of storing it as belly fat. 3 goals, 3 ingredients, each delivered through the simplest of morning rituals: a teaspoon stirred into your tea. Let's start with the one that most often gets men saying, "Doc, my wife's actually asking me to slow down." Habit 1. Maca root powder, the drive reigniter. If your main issue is flat energy, low libido, or that invisible fog that makes life feel dull, your answer is maca root powder. Maca is a humble root vegetable from the Andes of Peru, where only the toughest life survives at high altitude. For thousands of years, it's been called Peruvian ginseng, used by men who needed stamina for both work and love. But maca doesn't work like caffeine or testosterone boosters. It doesn't contain hormones, it helps your body regulate its own. Biologically, maca acts on the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, the master switchboard in your brain that governs stress and hormone production. By balancing that system, maca helps your body naturally optimize its own testosterone levels while smoothing out the spikes and crashes that make you feel moody or exhausted. Emotionally, the shift is subtle but unmistakable.
You wake up with more motivation, your mood feels lighter, you're quicker to smile, slower to snap. And yes, the spark returns. The same quiet confidence you used to feel in your 30s starts peeking back in. Here's the practical part. Use gelatinized maca powder. That means it's pre-cooked, easier to digest, and more bioavailable.
Add 1 level teaspoon to your warm morning tea, black, herbal, or green, and stir it in. The taste is slightly earthy with a hint of caramel or butterscotch. Within a week or two, most men feel that rising tide of energy, clean, calm, and deeply masculine. It's not a rush, it's a return. And that's usually when your partner starts noticing the extra energy, the sharper presence, the quiet but undeniable drive. That's when she says, half smiling, "What's gotten into you lately?" That's maca working its magic, not as a stimulant, but as a natural restoration of your inner vitality. Habit 2, ashwagandha, the stress neutralizer. Now, maybe your biggest challenge isn't energy, it's stress. You lie awake worrying, you wake up tense, every notification, every bill, every bit of bad news hits like a punch. That's not weakness, that's cortisol toxicity. For that, your teaspoon solution is ashwagandha root powder, the cornerstone herb of Ayurvedic medicine. In Sanskrit, ashwagandha means smell of the horse, because it's said to grant the vitality and endurance of one. Biologically, ashwagandha is a cortisol regulator. It directly reduces the overactivity of your stress response, bringing your sympathetic nervous system, your fight or flight mode, back to calm. When cortisol stays high all day, your body can't repair itself. It blocks testosterone, weakens immunity, and drains focus. But 1 teaspoon of high-quality ashwagandha in your morning tea starts reversing that. Think of it as installing shock absorbers in your nervous system. You still face the bumps of daily life, but instead of jarring you, they just roll under the tires. Emotionally, that means more patience, better sleep, clearer thought. You stop reacting and start responding. And over time, we're talking just a few weeks, reduced cortisol means your body finally has room to produce testosterone again. Your energy stops leaking into stress and starts fueling growth, recovery, and confidence. Practical note, ashwagandha's flavor is earthy and bitter. Blend it with a strong tea like ginger or turmeric and add a touch of raw honey or pure maple syrup. Stick with it daily. In about 2 weeks, most men tell me the same thing. "Dr. Laura, I feel calmer but stronger." That's the ashwagandha effect. Not sedation, stability. Habit 3. True cinnamon, the metabolic switch. Finally, let's talk about the silent thief of energy, metabolic sluggishness. That creeping belly fat, that post-lunch crash, that nagging feeling of heaviness even when you've eaten light, all of that points to one thing: insulin resistance. Your cells are no longer listening to insulin, the hormone that moves sugar from your blood into your muscles for energy. So sugar lingers in your bloodstream, gets stored as fat, and your energy swings up and down all day.
The simplest fix? True cinnamon, also called Ceylon cinnamon. It looks like a kitchen spice, but biochemically, it's a metabolic medicine. A single teaspoon of true cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, meaning your cells begin to respond again, blood sugar stabilizes, and energy stays steady. That's huge for men over 50 because unstable blood sugar triggers inflammation, belly fat, and even mood dips. With cinnamon in your morning tea, 3 things happen: steadier energy, no more mid-morning crashes, fewer cravings, stable blood sugar means less snacking, and better fat metabolism. Your body starts burning stored fat for energy. Emotionally, you feel lighter, mentally, you feel sharper, and practically, you stay productive instead of fighting fatigue. Important note, use Ceylon cinnamon. not cassia. Cassia has high coumarin, which can stress your liver over time. Ceylon cinnamon blends beautifully into black tea, chai, or even warm lemon water. It tastes incredible, and it's quietly transforming your metabolic foundation every single day. So which one do you start with? Here's the plan I give my private clients. Step 1. Identify your main challenge. Low drive or mood? Start with maca. High stress or poor sleep? Start with ashwagandha. Weight gain or energy crashes? Start with cinnamon. Step 2. Commit for 3 full weeks. Your body needs consistency to recalibrate its hormonal rhythms. Step 3. Cycle intelligently. Once a month, rotate ingredients based on what your life demands. For example, if it's a high-pressure month at work, switch to ashwagandha. When life slows down and you want to focus on energy, use maca. If your diet slipped or you're trying to lean out, use cinnamon. That gentle rotation prevents tolerance and keeps your system responsive. Step 4. Anchor the habit. Tie it to your existing morning ritual, your tea, your quiet moment, your breath before the day starts. It's not just about the teaspoon. It's about the intention. That moment of saying, I'm choosing vitality today. Men often ask me, Dr. Laura, is it too late for me? I'm 58, 62, 70. Can I really feel that spark again? And my answer always is yes, because your body never forgets how to heal. It just needs the right signals, small, consistent ones that tell it you're safe, you're capable, you still matter. When you start your day intentionally instead of reactively, you send that message. And over time, it shows in your energy, your patience, your posture, and your presence. You become calmer, lighter, more in control. And that confidence doesn't just change your day. It changes how people see you, how your partner looks at you, how you see yourself. So here's my challenge to you. Tomorrow morning, when you reach for your mug, make it count. Add that 1 teaspoon. Do it deliberately, not automatically. Because it's not just what's in the tea, it's what it represents. A man choosing to show up for himself. A man refusing to let age define him. A man who still has chapters left to write. And when your partner notices, when she smiles, curious and a little breathless and says, "What's gotten into you lately?" You can just grin and say, "Just something Dr. Laura told me to try." If this video helped you, hit like, share it with a brother or friend who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-based, heart-centered health strategies for men over 50. Drop a comment below. Which teaspoon will you start with tomorrow morning? I'm Dr. Laura, 12 years in men's health and wellness, reminding you that age isn't the end of vitality. It's the perfect time to reclaim it. See you in the next video, gentlemen.